Okay, so here we are. I have written the code for the three sides of the triangle, which we have to take input from the keyboard and then determine whether it is isosceles, equilateral, scalene, or right angle triangle. Okay, so simply okay, so simply I have used the main function and then started writing the code. Okay, so I have taken the three variables a, b, c as a float character type. Okay, variable type float abc. Okay, then I have given the instruction to the user that write the three sides of the triangle, then taking the values from the keyboards of the abc with the help of the scanf function, scanf %f percent ampersand a ampersand b and ampersand c, semicolon is important. Okay, now we know the condition for the triangle that the large means that the sum of the two side must be greater than or equal to the third side. So I have applied that condition that either a plus b is greater than equal to c, and b plus c greater than equal to a, and c plus a greater than equal to b. Okay, but this is not the correct step. Like the condition is not this thing, a plus b greater than equal to c. It is just a plus b greater than c. So just removing equal to, we can use the multi-cursor property of the vs Visual Studio Code. Okay, selecting the position with the help of the alt and click, alt button and click, and just remove all the equal in one go. So now it's correct. Okay, we have used the and arithmetic operation so that means if all the three conditions are satisfied at a single time only, uh, then our printf will be executed, then our further process will be executed. Okay, so if this, then printf the triangle is possible. Okay, and if a, and then again we have used the conditional statement if a is equals to b, and then and and then again in. See, if we should focus here that if I just write a equal to b, that would not work, that would give error. But since I have written a equal to b, that's why it is correct. Okay, since one equal means the assigning, but when we talk about the equality of right hand side and left hand side, we have to use two equals. Then printing for this, if this printf that the triangle given is equilateral. Okay, if all the three conditions are satisfied. Now if one of them is satisfied, like either this or either this is the symbol for or. Okay, printf the triangle is isosceles. Okay, if one of the three condition is satisfied, then it is an isosceles triangle. Now if we see this if and this else if. Okay, so else if means either this if will be used or this if you will be used. Okay, now though it is not like that key, it would also print the given triangle is equilateral and the given triangle is isosceles for a equal to b equal to c, because either it would be printed this thing or it would be printing this thing. This is what is meant by the else if. Okay, then for the right angle triangle, I know that either a square is equals to b square plus c square, or similarly for the other, or b square is equals to a square plus c square, or c square is equals to a square plus b square. So any condition satisfy, any one of the conditions satisfied, it would be an it would be an right angle triangle. So I have used that and statement. This is and statement, this is and statement. Okay, so one of them, oh sorry, or statement, this is sorry, this is or statement, or this is or statement. So one of these conditions satisfies, our triangle will be declared as right angle triangle. Okay, and else if this is not the thing, then just the triangle is scalene. This else is for this statement. Yeah, this else is for this if, that if these three conditions are not, if these three conditions are not satisfied, then just print the triangle is scalene triangle. And this else is for this if. Okay, that if this condition is not satisfied, then just print that the triangle can't be formed with these sides. Okay, so let us run. Just I am zooming it out a little. Yeah. Okay, so we are giving the our three sides in as an input: 3, enter, 4, enter, and 5, enter. Yes. So it says the triangle is possible and the given triangle is right angle to triangle. Thus it works. Thank you.